Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day. We're on our way to check out a brand new pool home listing in the Refuge golf course. Backs right to open desert. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 1851 East Troon Drive out at the Refuge in Lake Havasu City. Nice golf course community. This was just listed. The lockbox isn't even on. Nice stonework, nicely landscaped. We had a really nasty storm last night, so everything's a little bit disheveled. So it's got a nice little entryway. It's a nice little cul-de-sac street too, right at the edge of the desert. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2004, 2,088 square feet. Again, this is in the Refuge golf course community, very desirable area in Lake Havasu. It has natural gas, underground utilities, real close to Windsor launch ramp. Nice open living area, split floor plan, eat-at kitchen counter here. You have a pantry, upgraded cabinets, gas range, all travertine floors. Stainless appliances. Big tall ceilings. Has can lights, integrated speakers. This home can come fully furnished. You have your garage door access, indoor laundry, and master on one side. So it's a nice size master, tall ceilings. You have speakers in the ceiling. You have a slider out to the pool area. Nice master bath, has under lighting, upgraded cabinets. Dual sinks, dual skylights. Has a nice soaking tub, walk-in shower that's tiled. Have a nice walk-in closet. Has a skylight. All right, you have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Tall ceilings, speakers in the ceilings as well. This does not have a dedicated closet, but there will be a armoire that stays to satisfy the 3-bedroom requirement. So it's just set up as an office right now. All right, so you have the other bathroom and 3rd bedroom down the hall here. So you have bathroom number 2 right behind the kitchen here. Tile sink. Nice tiled shower. So you have bedroom number 3 at the front of the house as well. Big windows, tall ceilings again, slider, closet doors. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So you got your indoor laundry, has a little integrated wine rack, little wine fridge. All right, so you have a 3-car garage, doors are insulated. Has a 20-foot bay with a 9-foot door and a 42-foot bay, also has a 9-foot door. It is air conditioned in here. Also has ceiling fans, a drive-through bay to the backyard. Have your mini split AC unit, some built-in shelves, all your soft water, reverse osmosis, hot water heater. All right, let's go check out the pool area. They got a real nice backyard setup, backs right to open desert. Nobody will be able to build back there. It's a nice little pool. Again, it was a little windy last night, so there's some leaves and some debris around. Has a little hot tub. Little outdoor drive-through bay there. Turn that into a little entertainment area is what most people do. So there are water features on this pool. I just don't know how to turn them on. They come right out of the beam there. So you also have river view from the backyard. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Troon. If you guys have any questions at all my contact information will be right below this video. This one was just listed, so I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video with the current price and availability and all that. So anyways, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.